Hi, dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're gonna talk about the properties of similar triangles. So let's start. We have here, as you see, this theorem. It's very interesting one. If I have here a parallel line, a line here, EF, parallel to one side of the triangle, as you see, BC. Okay, line EF parallel to side BC. So I conclude what we have here now to what it divides the sides to proportional. To proportional, what does it mean? This means what? Means that AE over EB equals what? Equals, I want to show you, AF over FC. So AE over EB, it's the same as AF over FC. Okay, so let's start. How can we solve problems here? I've got here, find US. Just this? Yes, the question to find what? US, this one. Okay, we have here a line which is parallel to one side of the triangle, so this gives me proportional theorem. So I have here what, my dear students? US, okay, US over UR, the same as TV, yes, TV over VR. So US over 14, the same as 4 over 10, right? Then I can get the value of US. Now, yes, US times 10, it's the same as 4 multiplies 14. So 10 US equals what? Equals 56. Just 1 US over 10 over 10. So here another color to make it clear. So I have got here just one decimal place to move because we have just 1 0, so the answer is 5.6. The answer now is 5.6. Or can I do it like here from improper into mixed? Can we do this? It's very easy to convert it. I want to show you how. 56 divided 10, the denominator will be the same. What about the whole number? How many tens in 56? We have 5, so the whole number is 5. So 50 divided 10 is 5, and the difference between 56 and 50, we write it up here. It's 6. So 6 over 10, we simplify. Divided by 2 gives me 3. Divided by 2 gives me 5. And that, how can I solve it? Okay, let's take another example here. Find Pn. Okay, find here a Pn. Where is Pn, guys? We have this Pn. Once you found here a line which is parallel to the one side of that triangle, this means that you have got proportionality theorem, excuse me. So proportional theorem. So I will say what? I will say here LP, okay, LP starting from the side of the triangle. So I say LP over PN, the same as MQ over what? QN. LP here is 3 over Pn, which I want to know, equals to 2 over what? 2 over 5. 3 times 5 here equal 15 equal Pn 2Pn. So 15 equal 2Pn, just 1P equals what? 15 over 2 is 7.5. I have another here theorem I want to share with you. So the converse of the theorem of triangle proportionality theorem. Okay, the opposite of it. If you have here AE, okay, over EP, the same as AF over FC. Therefore, of course, we have got here two parallel lines, right? So if I have here the question, verify or prove that you have here DE parallel to, he wants me to prove that DE, this line is or this segment is parallel to BC. How can I do it? If you prove that 10 over 15 gives me the same as 8 over 12, so 10 over 15, if it's equal to 8 over 12, so you have got here parallel. So 10 divided, we can simplify, divided by 5 gives you 2, divided by 5 gives you 3, so this is 2 over 3, okay? And we simplify this one, divided by 4 gives you 2, divided by 4 gives you 3. You got here 2 over 3 is 2 over 3 the same, so we have here therefore two congruent here, two parallel. DE is parallel to BC. This is the converse of the proportional theorem. I will say proportional because I can say proportionality. Okay guys, another thing here we've got. Okay, this theorem also is very easy one. If it says what? If you have here 3 or more parallel lines, AB parallel to CD parallel to EF. Okay, so therefore we conclude that AC it's over CE will be equal to BD over DF. It's easy. Can you see this? So suppose here, okay, this is interesting one. Suppose that an artist here decided to make a larger sketch of the trees. In the figure, as you see, this is a sketch. So if AB here, so we have here, if AB 4 point AB, this distance 4.5, then you have 2.6, then 4.1, and so on. And KL 4.9, KL this side, guys, this side we have here KL 4.9. He asks me to find LM, then MN. It's okay, guys. And to the nearest tenth, what can I do? We have here parallel, right? We have here parallel. So I want to know here 4.5 over what? Over 2.6, the same as here KL over LM. So the first thing here, we write the R here. They are given that AB, the given here that AK parallel to BL, parallel to CM, parallel to DN. They are what? They are parallel. Okay, therefore I have AB over BC, it's 4.5 over 2.6 equals to what? Equals to KL over LM. KL here over LM, it's what? I want to write it here, guys. 4.9 over LM that I want to know equals to 4.5 over 2.6. I can do it how? 4.9 multiplies 2.6 will be the same, equals to 4.5 times L. Cross multiplication, and it's written. So LM will be 2.8 by here to the nearest here. Okay. What about here? The MN, I will do it by the same way. And the other one. Okay, guys? Okay, so let's go to the next here theorem. The last theorem we've got here, an angle bisector theorem. What's an angle bisector theorem, guys? Okay, so the angle bisector of a triangle, if you have here angle bisector gives you two congruent angles inside. This means that you've got here another thing, conclusion, that BD over DC the same as what? The same as AB over AC. Let's see in real examples or exercises we've got here. Find PS and SR. Okay, find PS. Where is PS, guys? We have here PS and what? And SR. And he asks me to find SR. Gives me angle bisector theorem. By angle bisector theorem, so we have got here two congruent angles. So we have got angle bisector theorem. So we have here what? We have here PS over PS here over SR. It's equals to what? QP over what? QR. So it's easy now to solve it. We make cross multiplication, x minus 2 times 40 and x plus 5 times 32. Okay, then we solve this 40 times x, then 40 times -2. We distribute, guys. Okay, so we've got here 40x minus 80, then 32x plus 32 times 5, 160. And put the 32 together, 32 x's, put it x's together. Then we have got here 40x minus 32x, okay, gives me 8x, and we have got here the -80 goes to the other side by positive sign, 160 plus 80, guys, 240, then just x to get it, divided by the coefficient of x, divided 8, so x here is 30 degrees. So sorry, 80 x here, the value of x will be 30. Substitute 34x to get what? The segment of PS. Remember, he asks me about the segment of PS. PS here, guys, PS is what? X minus 2. I got x with 30. So 30 minus 2 gives me 28, then SR. Okay? Okay, this is the same idea. I hope you understood the lesson, my dear students. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.